I'm Blessing, and I'm your Texas wealth management attorney. I teach individuals, businesses, and families how to prosper from one generation to the next by gaining, guarding, and growing wealth. So what exactly is a wealth management attorney? I mainly practice in the areas of estate planning, but as you'll come to see, wealth building can't be encompassed in just a few practice areas. As a wealth management attorney, it is my job to meet you where you are on your journey and guide you to the next level of prosperity. This can look like finally designating an entity for your business, putting in place the necessary estate planning tools to make sure your family gets to grieve without chaos or confusion. It looks like helping you buy your first home, or fifth if you're a real estate investor. Wealth management is so much more than any area of law. Quite frankly, it has more to do with the mindset than anything else. Growing up in an impoverished environment, I watched my immigrant parents make strategic decisions that allowed them to climb the socioeconomic ladder. This showed me that it really only takes one individual to change the trajectory of generations. If you have a generational mindset, then there's no time better than now to start making those strategic decisions. Let's dive into what your next steps look like.